Did Mr. Worley, I know you didn't know his name at the time, but did Mr. Worley put his hands on the firearm at any time?
I drank the alcohol after I grabbed.
While certain officers misuse their power and forsake their oath, today's story reveals how instant karma strikes back with a forceful impact. Let's dive into this intense confrontation where Officer Matthew Rodriguez violently assaults Jaquan Smith. In this video, Officer Matthew Rodriguez deliberately violates and deprives Jaquan Smith of his civil rights under the guise of law. Officer Rodriguez argued with Smith. Then, the officer grabbed Smith and threw him around before slamming the teenager's head to the ground. Two other officers were present and occasionally restrained Smith. Rodriguez was fired by the Warren Police Department, which released video of the incident in the summer. William Dwyer, who was police commissioner at the time, said, "Like everybody, I was shocked and appalled when I observed Rodriguez's actions. These actions were completely unjustified and unprofessional, ultimately resulting in criminal charges against him." This incident no doubt reflected negatively on every member of this department. A comprehensive internal investigation showed that Rodriguez violated multiple department policies and procedures. Given the totality of this incident, the decision to terminate Rodriguez's employment was clear and obvious. Rodriguez will be in court for his sentence on August. The maximum sentence is 10 years in prison. On August 9th, 2024, a man identified as Mac carried an AR-15 in Vancouver, Washington. Mac entered a Burgerville restaurant with the rifle slung over his shoulder. He even asked the staff about the store's policy on open carry. They seemed indifferent as long as he wasn't posing a threat.
Can I get a large Sprite? Thank you. By the way, I was curious, what's Burgerville's policy on open carrying firearms inside the store?
I don't know, I'm not doing it.
Okay.
No, I'm not. As long as nobody's saying anything, I'm fine.
Okay, cool.
I'm not the same thing as
Yeah.
you're not going to shoot us up.
I promise you I won't.
Okay, so just protect us, right?
Yeah, an armed citizen is a way to stop a lot of crime. So.
I'm not going to do anything as long as nothing's going on. In fact, I wouldn't even notice if you didn't say something.
Okay, all right, well, I just wanted to make sure you guys weren't going to get upset or anything. Anyway, thank you.
After leaving the restaurant, Mac felt satisfied with the experience until the police arrived. Several officers confronted him, drew their weapons, and demanded that he put the gun down. Despite his objections, he was detained and asked to show identification, which he refused, citing his Fourth Amendment rights.
So either this is good news for City of Vancouver Police Department, maybe they don't care about open carry people, or this is good news for the population of Vancouver, and they did not call the police on. Either way, kudos to you guys.
Hey, bud, stop right there. Stop right there. Put the rifle on the ground. Put the rifle on the ground.
I'd rather not touch it, officer. I don't want to touch the weapon. They're pointing guns at me right now. Can I put my arms down?
Go ahead and put your hands in. Put your hands in.
Okay. I'd rather not, sir. Am I being detained right now, officer?
Huh? Let me see your ID.
No, thank you.
What's that?
No, thank you.
Why are you saying no thank you?
I know it's my Fourth Amendment right. I don't have to show you my identification.
Why are you walking down the road with a rifle?
Am I not allowed?
Why are you walking around with a rifle right now?
Why are you walking around with a weapon? Why is she walking
We're
around?
not going to play jokes, all right? We're working right now.
I'm allowed. It's my constitutionally protected right.
That's your firearm?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Registered to you?
I'm not going to answer any more questions, officer.
Okay. All right. Well, yeah. Go ahead and just check that real quick.
Just so you know, I don't consent to any searches or seizures of my firearm.
So why are you walking around with a rifle?
I'm not going to answer any more questions. What's your badge number, officer?
I don't have a badge number. If you can find one on there, let me know.
What's your name?
My name is Officer Rollins.
Officer Rollins? What's your name, ma'am? Officer Young? Young? What's your name, ma'am? Officer Hernandez, is that correct?
I'm glad you can read.
All right, stay here. I'll be right. You watch him for a second. Stay right there.
Am I being detained right now?
At the moment, yeah.
What crime have I committed?
No crimes have been committed at this point that we know of.
It'd be great if you would just let me go. I didn't realize that I was in Nazi Germany.
Okay.
All right.
Mr. Smith, as long as you understand that based on your behavior and your actions, you have caused alarm and disorder in the you may pick up your firearm,
Which you've strewn my bullet all over the ground.
and you may leave, sir.
I really appreciate your service to this community, officer.
You're very welcome, sir.
And I appreciate you guys defending the oath you took to uphold the Constitution.
Sir, you were asked to walk the other way while exiting. Do not walk towards me with a firearm in your possession. Walk the other way, please. Thank you.
This is incredible. Officer, I need to get to my car is over there.
Leave that private property. You need to leave that private property or you're trespassing.
Officer, I'm trying to get to my car. It's over there. I want to leave.
Sir, keep your hands where I can see them at this point, please. I'm going to ask you to set the phone down so that you don't damage your own phone. Set it on the ground.
I just want to leave.
Please.
My car is right there.
Hands on top of your head.
Put them on your head.
Why am I being assaulted here? Am I being arrested?
Yep.
I want to leave.
Mack is arrested for trespassing, but the charges are dismissed.
A male walking over by the fireworks stand with what looked to be a rifle or assault rifle.
And when you noticed him, had police arrived?
No.
What are you thinking when you see him?
Possible active shooter scenario.
How did you react?
I ended up calling into my dispatch, putting them on standby to contact police.
Did Mr. Worley, I know you didn't know his name at the time, but did Mr. Worley put his hands on the firearm at any time?
He was holding it on his shoulder, that I could tell.
But did he put his hands on it?
I do not recall.
And did Mr. Worley do anything that made it look like he was going to...
No, not that I recall.
In your observation of Mr. Worley, from the point where he poured his Sprite until he walked out the door, did he have any mannerisms that made it seem like he was going to go for the gun?
No.
Was there anything about Mr. Worley's movements that gave you concern about him being an active shooter?
As in the way he was walking, or I don't understand.
Anything else about him gave you concern that he may be an active shooter?
No.
Did he point the gun at you at all?
No.
Did you ever put your hands on the weapon?
No.
And did you ever put your hands on the trigger?
No, absolutely not.
However, the prosecutor goes after him for violating RCW 9.41.270. It shall be unlawful for any person to carry, exhibit, display, or draw any firearm, dagger, sword, knife, or other cutting or stabbing instrument, club, or any other weapon apparently capable of producing bodily harm in a manner, under circumstances, and at a time and place that either manifests an intent to intimidate another or that warrants alarm for the safety of other persons. On April 28, 2024, the Oklahoma Highway Patrol arrested Worcester Police Chief Kurt Morsand after his vehicle crashed into a tree in LaFleur County while transporting his 10-year-old daughter in the back seat. During the conversation, Kurt acknowledged that he had been drinking at the cabins the previous night, and although he insisted that he drank only after the accident, the officer expressed skepticism based on witness statements. Despite his insistence that there were no other vehicles behind him, the officer reiterated that multiple witnesses had reported his erratic driving.
So what happened, man? We're literally camping on Quarry Island.
Uh-huh.
We woke up, we had to come here and get something.
Uh-huh.
And then all of a sudden, like, everybody's flying through here like we can, like, just go off the road. Because of the road. Because we're, like, just traffic's flying. Not trying to cut, I should have cut it harder. I was not drinking.
166 County, I'm back today.
When I hit that tree, I started drinking.
Oh, okay. Why's that?
Because I was stressed out.
Hey, dude, don't get an attitude.
I'm not
just
with you,
asking questions. Especially, dude, you reek of alcohol, man.
I know.
Slurring.
I know.
Yeah.
Well, how much did you drink while you were sitting there, dude?
A whole crap load of vodka. And I don't mean to disrespect you.
No, I'm not saying you are. Because right now, dude, it does not look great.
No, it doesn't. Yeah. I know that. My teeth are in my damn joints. My fault.
I don't know, dude. Like, I gotta do the investigation. And because they were saying, dude, we got witnesses already saying that you were hitting the guardrails and stuff back there.
Bullshit.
We got all these witnesses.
There wasn't anybody even behind me.
Well, I don't know. I'm just saying.
I drank the alcohol after I crashed.
Well, I know, but we got witnesses saying otherwise. I mean...
What witnesses?
I
didn't see anybody.
Okay, well, maybe not. But we have enough witnesses to say otherwise. I'm not trying to be a jerk, and maybe it would be different.
Why would I have been just rubbing the rails?
Are you on any medication or anything like that?
At nighttime I'm on...
Were you drinking at the lake at all last night or anything?
Last night I drank at the... Are you gonna arrest me or not?
I'll have to do some tests and stuff, Kurt. It'd be different if you called me beforehand before you wrecked.
Well, here's the thing. I drank after I crashed.
Well, I still have to ask all the witnesses and everyone who came here. Where's the vodka bottle that you were drinking? Is it up there?
Vodka?
You said you chugged vodka after the crash.
I don't know. I went to the road.
Drunk driving is the act of operating a motor vehicle with the operator's ability to do so impaired as a result of alcohol consumption or with a blood alcohol level in excess of the legal limit. For drivers 21 years or older, driving with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.08% or higher is illegal. For drivers under 21 years old, the legal limit is lower, with state limits ranging from 0.00 to 0.02. The officer informed Kurt that they would need to conduct a series of tests to determine his blood alcohol content, BAC. Kurt appeared nervous and agitated, frequently expressing frustration about the situation and the impact it would have on his life, stating that his life was over due to the incident and prior personal issues, including a divorce.
I'm not trying to pick on you, man. I got
No, you're
called.
not.
Today's my Friday. I don't want to do this.
No, you're not.
I'll offer up
My
one
life
more
is
week.
over. I'm fucked.
Are you going to perform some tests for me or no?
Tell me what to do.
What?
Tell me what to do.
Dude, I'm bound, man. Like,
I know you're bound as a...
Yeah, like, dude, it's like, as far as, like, me, dude, we have, like, 6 cameras on, video, GPS, 2 GPSs.
I know one being recorded right now.
Yeah, you will? Okay. I have to get on flat ground. I want to give you the best chance you can do, dude. I mean, I'll have to get on flat ground.
HGM's gonna be a little better.
Yeah. Why? Is something wrong with your eyes or what?
Probably.
Okay. I'm gonna get on flat ground, and then we'll get a witness there, and then we'll give you fair shake, and I'll get on as flat as possible. Okay. I like to do it on that dirt road that they're blocking off. That way we're not in the way.
Not.
What's up, buddy?
I'm not fucking up. We literally woke up and then we wanted to go get stuff to go back to the cabins right there on Western.
Dude, I'm not arguing with. I'm not saying.
I mean,
that's
no. What I'm
happened.
saying is like we woke up. We're just hang out together.
Hopefully, crush this, dude, so we can both go home. I get off at 5 and I start my days off.
Well, HGN is not a crush.
Well, I'm just saying. Like,
The officer explained the legal implications of refusing the sobriety tests, including the potential suspension of his driving privileges. Kurt ultimately agreed to take the breath test.
You've been arrested and you request to submit to the test or test to determine the presence or concentration of intoxicants in your body. The test will be a breath test. If a blood test is performed, it will be done by approved medical personnel under Oklahoma law. You are not entitled to consult with an attorney prior to making your decision to submit to the state's test. You may refuse the state's test, but as a consequence, your driving privileges will be revoked or denied. I mean, but if you don't take it, you're going to be suspended. So it's either going to be below and below under, and it's a lesser of a charge, or it's up to you, man.
Let's go blow.
Okay. All right, I'm going to call for a record and stuff. Let's go ahead and have a seat, man.
Okay.
Let's walk around. Yeah, so we're not. Yeah. Delta 400 Grant.
was like, my cabin's right there.
En route to LCDC for the state's test. Tribal police is going to stand by on the crash for the record to come pick it up. I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Delta 400 was there.
Well, I won't charge you with DUI if you blow under.
Because I process this shit really fast.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'll tell you what, Kurt, if you blow under, dude, I'll cite you for PI, and then I'll just take you home.
I lost my job, though, too. Man, my whole f***ing life. Do you know what started all this?
The divorce, probably, maybe? I'm not sure.
I started ranking up.
At Poto PD?
My ex-wife started looking all jealous all the time. I'm like, why are you jealous?
She being weird about you getting promoted and stuff to detective?
She, man, I went through this year ago. A dark cloud rolled in over me, and now and then I just like, oh, okay, I'm gonna live.
I mean, this is a bad situation for everyone.
It is.
It's not something don't think I'm gunning for you or anything like that, man.
I know that, man. I know that.
Worcester City Attorney Sean McKelvey confirmed to 5 News that Morrison submitted his resignation and that the City Board of Trustees will have a vote next week to formally accept his resignation. Morrison was booked in Latimer County, Oklahoma, but his charges are out of Leaflore County. His bond has been set at $10,000.
So what's the deal?
What is your problem?
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
I'm trying to tell you, ma'am, she had nothing to do with this. I called her after because
I
called
the cops.
I didn't call the cops.
I'm asking who called the cops, guys.
Those people, I don't know.
You don't know them?
I don't know them. I never met those people in my life.
Okay.
Welcome back to Cops Quiz. In today's video, we're diving into a shocking case where a corrupt cop was fired and arrested following a major lawsuit. Don't miss out on the details of how justice was served. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more gripping stories and law enforcement updates. Let's get it on. On September 21st, 2019, law enforcement officers responded to a report of domestic violence in Austin, Texas. Deputy Pereira of the Williamson County Sheriff's Office arrived at the apartment shared by Skylar Leo, 20, and her boyfriend, Eric Ramirez. Ms. Lilla, one of the occupants, informed Deputy Pereira that Mr. Ramirez was missing.
I have to. Yeah, I'm glad you did. Which one is she?
Over here.
Do I need to do anything? Maybe yes. Yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a second.
I'm going down with you.
Hey, let me talk to you real quick.
Yeah.
Do you need EMS?
No, I'm fine.
Come out here. Come out here.
I really don't want to deal with y'all people.
All right, well, we'll make sure you're okay. 1636 you were code 4. She does not need EMS. So, what happened?
Nothing.
Look up for me. What's on your neck? So...
I don't need to talk to you. I really don't.
Do you have your ID on you or anything?
No, I don't.
So, what's your last name? How do you spell your first name?
Why do you need all this stuff?
Because we have to document that we're here. Okay. Where is the guy that allegedly? I mean, we don't.
I don't know where he's at. I don't.
So he left.
He left.
Does he live in this apartment complex?
No, he does not.
1636K94. Victim's advising she does not know which way he went. So were y'all? I'm trying to figure out why your friends called the cops.
What friend?
Or your witnesses, whoever was over here that called us.
Cool.
Where are the marks on your neck from?
We got my necklace right here.
No, this right here. What is that from?
Does it really matter?
Yes.
Does
I'm gonna make sure you're okay.
I'm fine, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. I get a rash talking to y'all. I do not want to talk to you, and especially Williamson County. Y'all have a really bad reputation. I've bad encounters with y'all. I do not want to.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
I know you aren't, man.
Okay, so we need your cooperation. Is there anyone else in the apartment with you?
My sister is here.
Okay, can I talk to her?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait,
you wanna
no,
go get?
No, I really don't want you to talk.
Okay. Well,
It's none of her
if she
business.
wants to talk to me, that I can talk to her.
She does not want to talk.
How do I know that?
Because I told her that she had nothing to do with it.
So what's the deal?
What is your problem?
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
I'm trying to
here.
tell you, ma'am, she had nothing to do with this. I called her after because
Who
I
called
want
the
my...
cops?
I didn't call the cops.
I'm asking who called the cops, guys.
Those people, I don't know.
You don't know them?
I don't know them. I never met those people in my life.
Okay. If you want to just go back inside for the time being, and then I'm gonna meet up with my partners and see what's going on.
Thank you.
So, I got her name and date of birth. She doesn't want to be cooperative. I see some marks on her neck that might be fresh. She's saying she's denying medical attention. She said she didn't want to talk to us. Sister doesn't want to talk. They live in here. So she's like, I don't even want y'all in my house. I'm like, well, we gotta find the guy that allegedly did this. So she didn't give direction of travel, description, anything. She's like, he left. I don't know where he went.
Third level Dickerson.
In Texas, law enforcement is mandated to intervene in domestic violence situations, even if victims do not cooperate. This highlights the state's commitment to justice and victim protection. Deputy Lorenzo Hernandez, known from the reality show Live PD, forcefully engaged with Ms. Lil, attempting to access her apartment. Despite her protests, Hernandez grabbed her by the throat and threw her to the ground. Legal analysis often permits law enforcement to enter a home without a warrant in domestic violence cases, but the legitimacy of Hernandez's conduct is under scrutiny.
Who else is in here?
My sister, no, I really don't. You really don't.
This is trafficking! Back up! What is it? Back up! What are you doing?
It's just, I mean, okay, I'm not doing. Why are you? Why? Okay, well, stop. Let go of me. Let go of me, please. I just want to go. Stop. I'm not doing.
Relax.
Sir, you don't have to handcuff. Please, no.
Okay, stop.
Just stop. I don't trust. I just want to go in. Stop.
Listen to.
Stop moving. I'm not doing anything. Just stop. Just lay there. Please, just lay there. Guys, stop.
The victim has been detained.
Our father has followed me. They couldn't do what he's done. You to touch me like this. Please.
All right, man, you're gonna have to calm down. It's running your mouth. Calm down.
Listen.
Okay? You understand?
Listen.
You need to understand how we can talk to you.
Yes.
Okay, quit talking.
Please let me get up, please.
Quit talking.
You're hurting.
Quit talking.
Yeah.
I can talk to you and let you know why we're doing what we're doing and what's going on. Regardless of whether or not you want to cooperate,
Please
we're going to do what we need to do.
Call the attorney. Please, just lay there.
Relax so we can talk to
Call
you.
our attorney. Call the attorney right now. Call the lawyer right now.
Listen,
Relax so we can talk to you.
we're just trying to talk to you and make sure you're okay.
I wasn't hurt before and you're hurting me.
You're gonna
I haven't
relax.
felt pain and you're making me feel pain.
Relax.
People.
Relax. Where are you hurting? Where
You're
are you
hurting my arms. You're hurting my. You're
Okay.
literally putting so much pressure on me.
Oh, roll over.
Just want you to relax, okay? Hold on here over there. Do not get up. Stay seated. Stay with her.
Do you need medical attention?
No.
Okay.
Y'all have that. Y'all have to. But
Listen
you're
to
not
me.
helping me. You're making it so much worse.
We try to come help you.
I'm not hurt.
Okay.
Just sit there.
So what, like, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. That's what we're all trying to figure.
She's overreacting. Just please, okay? I'm on your side. Just don't move. Don't talk. Okay? You're making things worse for yourself. Stop. Enough is enough. Okay?
Cases like Georgia versus Randolph, 2006, affirm that law enforcement can enter a residence if they have credible suspicion of a genuine threat. However, Hernandez's use of force against Ms. Lil, who was not resisting, was likely excessive. Legal precedents emphasize that using force against a non-resisting individual during an arrest violates constitutional rights.
Don't touch me. I don't know.
Stop. Sit.
Don't touch me, please. Just get
Just
your hands
sit.
off me. I'm fine. Just don't touch me,
Please.
please. Don't touch me.
I'll try to figure.
She's overreacting. Just please, okay? I'm on your side. Just don't move. Don't talk. Okay? You're making things worse for yourself. Stop. Enough is enough. Okay?
Why would you go in someone's place? Stop. I'm so over this, dude. Like, these people are psycho. I've heard about Williamson County.
We came here to
Y'all weren't even supposed to go into my apartment. Y'all, with what? I'm literally gonna press charges on y'all.
We have a possible felony.
Possible felony?
Yes.
For what? For who? Oh my god. Oh my god. These people would do anything to get money. Like, what? No, dude, this is ridiculous. You're so close-minded.
Here, stand up.
Keep calm and get your cuffs.
I need to get my phone.
What are you trying to
I'm
get?
getting my phone. I got it.
Okay, get on your feet.
You can understand where you're in handcuffs right now?
So what happened? We were trying to talk, right? That's all we were trying to do?
Are we going to be cool if we take these handcuffs off?
The light's not on. It's not on.
That's it. When we come to stuff like this, we're going to check for safety reasons, okay? We're going to make sure he's not here and you're not hiding in. We understand you don't want to cooperate. We can't force you to do that. We get that. We understand that. But you don't do what you just did. Not when we show up for something like this. We don't get your cooperation. That is what happens.
Yes.
Okay? Okay, we know who he is. We're going to find him eventually. He comes back over here for whatever reason. You're having to call because he's continuing to do what he's going to do. We're going to take him to jail. Are you injured?
No.
Okay.
Do you need medical attention? Do you need EMS?
I'm good. I'm great.
Okay. Next time in the future, when we show up, you don't have the right to do that. Keep us out of your house. You do not.
Can you tell me why exactly? Like, what's,
Because we're here.
What are my legal rights? Like, can you tell me what the protocol is? Like, why do I have to let y'all come in without me even saying?
I'm trying to explain to you, but you're interrupting me.
Sorry.
You're gonna stop talking so I can tell you. I just told you. We have to do a welfare check and make sure all persons are secure in this house. Do not need medical attention. Okay. Understand all that drama, all that screaming, does not help y'all's situation.
No.
Okay. We have a job to do. Whether you understand it in the moment, I don't care.
I don't want to go hands-on with you. Okay. I'm here to help you, okay? Okay.
Deputy Hernandez faced a one-day suspension following an internal investigation, but continued his career, eventually becoming a detective. He later faced charges of official oppression and assault related to his use of force against Ms. Lil, resulting in a federal lawsuit against him and the Williamson County Sheriff's Office. Criticisms arose regarding Hernandez's conduct, which escalated a peaceful encounter into a physical altercation. The deputy's response has sparked inquiries, particularly concerning the oversight in documenting Ms. Lil's injuries. Hernandez's accusatory remarks exacerbated the situation, undermining Ms. Lil's status as a victim. This incident underscores the need for robust domestic violence training and stringent policies within law enforcement agencies. Despite her emotional distress, Ms. Lil pursued legal action, resulting in Hernandez's detention and termination, demonstrating that justice can prevail against misconduct. On February 15, 2018, at approximately 4 p.m., Deputy Zach Wester of the Jackson County Sheriff's Office initiated a traffic stop in Marianna, Florida. The target was Teresa Odom, a 52-year-old grandmother, whose vehicle's brake lights were suspected of flickering.
How are you?
Tired.
Yeah, me too. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Should I turn in here to get off?
You're fine, you're fine. Deputy Westwood, Jackson County Sheriff's Office. Reason for my stop is your brake lights. They work 1 minute, and the next minute they don't work, and then a few seconds later they just flash. And you got your driver's license on you, ma'am?
I just got tickets the other day. I'll be glad to show them to you.
No, you're fine.
My truck may or may not start. When I turn it off, you may have to push me off, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you.
Okay. Do you need to turn it off? Do you have to turn it off?
It'd probably be better.
Okay. What is that right there?
What is what?
That right there.
What is what?
That straw right there.
This is no straw. It's an ink can.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Ms. Odom was on felony probation at the time due to her involvement with stolen items. Deputy Wester approached Ms. Odom's car and persuaded her to allow a search after informing her that a K-9 unit was on its way. Although she agreed, individuals have the right to refuse such requests, and lawyers typically advise against consenting to searches to avoid legal issues.
Here's what I do probably 10 or 15 times a shift, okay? There's going to be a K-9 coming in a minute, and she's going to walk around the car, okay? But instead of doing that, would you consent to a search of your vehicle? You're fine with that? Okay. All right.
In the landmark 2015 case, Rodriguez v. United States, the Supreme Court emphasized upholding Fourth Amendment rights during traffic stops. Extending a stop beyond its necessary duration, such as waiting for a K-9 unit without reasonable suspicion, violates constitutional protections. If Deputy Wester lacked concrete evidence linking Ms. Odom to criminal activity, any prolongation of the traffic stop would likely be deemed unjustified. Body cam footage may show Deputy Wester placing meth in Ms. Odom's vehicle. Florida law, specifically Section 838.022 of the Florida statutes, prohibits public servants from falsifying documents for personal gain. Deputy Wester may face charges of official misconduct for including misleading information about the planted drugs in an official report. Additionally, Section 918.13 prohibits fabricating evidence.
Do what now?
I said, if you find any money, I come up missing $5 at the hospital.
All right, I'll see if I can find it for you. Oh, Miss Odom.
It is yogurt, sir.
I know. Okay.
It's yogurt.
How about this, though?
That is not mine. No, sir.
So I'm gonna read you your rights first, okay? So just hang out with Deputy Hayke here.
What is it?
I have an idea. We're gonna test it, though, okay? Do you have anything on you, Miss Odom?
I said I didn't have anything on me in the truck.
Oh, okay. But do you have anything on your person? Is what
I
I'm
have
asking.
nothing on me, to my knowledge, at all.
Just hang out there for a minute.
I just got pulled over in Cottondale. All right. I had went down to see George because I had a bad check that was given to me by somebody who was living at 8 Dodds. I come through the light. I get pulled over. All right, the deputy asked if he could search my truck. I told him, yes, he may search the seats. I don't know, God knows what. He goes around to the other side, going on open, and he comes back with a spoon, which is what I use to eat my yogurt with. And in the spoon, there is laying a little bitty, like, I guess a little tiny bag. He says it tests positive for methamphetamine. I don't know nothing else to do. Message Bernadette and tell her to deal with Uncle Spencer. Nothing else to tell you, but I guess I'm going to jail. If you want to come up, if you would like to come and get my wallet. Yes, sir. My cup. Please don't lose my cup.
I'm gonna put it in the car for you.
It doesn't lock now. I mean, that's fine.
It's going to be secure.
Look, that's
in
just.
Branning's yard. I mean, that's all right.
Deputy Wester could face legal repercussions for allegedly using planted drugs as evidence or fabricating information in a police report. Such conduct violates Section 893.13 of the Florida statutes, which prohibits unauthorized possession of controlled substances. Instances of evidence planting undermine the integrity of the criminal justice system and jeopardize the rights of the accused. Legal representation is crucial in such situations to navigate the complexities and mount a defense.
Okay, like several of the other listed victims in the case, she consents to the search of her car, doesn't she?
She does. She does, yes.
Now, you say you've testified on direct that you don't dispute that there's something in your hand like those photos the state's exhibits depict. Is that correct?
Correct. Yeah, I don't dispute that at all.
Where on your body camera video do we see you handle that baggie and either picking it up or putting it down or looking at it closely to determine what's in it?
After I found the baggie in her purse containing methamphetamine, and after I found the spoon, which was used as paraphernalia, There was really no need for me to go walk across 231 at the busiest time of the day to try to find something that I didn't even know was evidentiary value or not.
At what point on that video do you have time, or does it even show you looking at it to make some type of a reasonable inference as to whether or not it had evidentiary value? On Mr. Emanuel's video, we've seen it, it's a partial video. Do you agree with that?
I would agree with that.
How did that happen?
So the body camera was initially, I attempted to activate the body camera to start the recording. In the recording, you will see about a 30-second, about a 30-second period where there is no audio. There is nothing but video.
This incident underscores the potential pitfalls within the criminal justice system. Deputy Wester accused Ms. Odom of drug possession based on questionable evidence. It is important to seek legal counsel before admitting guilt, particularly when accusations stem from potentially planted evidence. The reliability of roadside drug tests is also in question, with a significant error rate acknowledged by the Florida Department of Law Enforcement and other agencies. Deputy Wester's case evolved when allegations surfaced that he planted meth in Ms. Odom's car. Ms. Odom was charged with drug possession and imprisoned for 19 days before pleading no contest. Over 100 cases were reopened, charges withdrawn, and convictions reversed after it was discovered that Deputy Wester planted drugs during traffic stops. In 2019, he was arrested, found guilty, and sentenced to 12.5 years in prison. Ms. Odom and others sued him for infringing their rights.
Counts 7, 9, 10, 31, 33, 34, 41, 44, 48, 64, and 65 are to be served consecutive to each other for a total sentence in this case of 12 years, 6 months, and 8 days, is to run concurrent with a 5-year Department of Corrections sentence in count 1. Therefore, it is the intention of the court that you are sentenced to serve a total of 12 years, 6 months, and 8 days in the Florida Department of Corrections.
This case highlights the serious issue of police corruption and the importance of maintaining integrity within law enforcement. Let's spread the message of fairness and transparency together by hitting like and sharing this video with everyone around you. Leave your comments below to share your opinions and ideas on this issue. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on the latest content from the Cops Quiz channel. Together, let's create a fairer society. See you in the next videos. Thank you and goodbye.